아니 왜 그러고?
Yesterday was what day? Oh, Memorial Day. The day before yesterday. The day before yesterday. The day before yesterday was anniversary day.
Wow.
School's birthday. School anniversary day.
Happy birthday school.
Happy birthday school.
I love school.
Happy birthday, Jonathan Middle School. Happy birthday, Jonathan Middle School. Oh, that's the Jonathan Middle School. We couldn't pay for the rest of the month. Big one. Okay. Today we will study lesson 6. Remember lesson 5. I have some questions. If you ask my question, I will give you some stamps after this class. Question number 1. Question number 1. Players pass the ball with their hands or arms.
럭비.
What is it? Simon. Rugby. Okay, rugby. Next. Question number 2. Players use a bat, ball, just like baseball. What is it? Okay, Simhan. Oh, cricket. Next. Question number 3. Players use a palm, which is round and black. What is it? Okay, Jaeyoung. Ice hockey. That's right. Next. Question number 4. It is similar to volleyball, but players cannot use their hand. Okay, Sunu. Oh, sepak-takraw, right. Question number 5. Players use stick with net. Okay, Hyunun. Lacrosse. That's right. Today, we will study lesson 6. What's the title of lesson 6? Okay, pet lover or not. Today, we will talk about pet lovers or not. I'll show you some video. Enjoy the video.
Teacher. Kiss. Please.
I don't know. Is it your cat? Oh my God! Where is your cat? Did you raise this cat? Oh no! Because if you raise this cat, I have a lot of work to do. Mommy. I must spend so much money. Mommy. I will buy my cat. The cat food with my money. But I don't want this cat. No! This cat. Please! No! Please! Please, okay? Oh no. Why? Let me think about it. No. Let me think about it. No. I have a kid. Crazy. 로봇이 먹는
같이 합동판.
로봇 치킨. Crazy.
로봇.
말할게요.
선생님도 안 돼.
She's my second daughter. No, my second daughter wants to raise a cat, but I don't want to raise a cat. How about you? How about you? Okay. Today we will talk about this problem. Open your book to page 89. Okay, listen carefully.
Pet lover or not? Welcome to the speech contest. We have an exciting topic today, pets. These days, there are many people who have pets. Some people say that pets are family. Others say that pets are just animals. Let's listen to their opinions.
Let's see new words.
Speech, speech, topic, topic.
Okay. There are many people who have pets. Some people say that pets are family. Others say that pets are just animals. What about you? What about you? Who can read this page? Okay. Sunan.
Welcome to the speech contest. We have a exciting topic today about pets. These days there are many people who have pets. Some people say that pets are family. Others say that pets are just animals. Let's listen to their opinion.
Okay, good. What is the pet? Answer my question. What is the pet? Animal. Okay, Keju. Animal. This animal we raise where? In our house. Next. What kind animals are there? What kind animals are there? Answer the question. If you answer my question, I'll give you 10 after this class. Question number 1. Can you guess what this pet is? It has 4 legs. It has 4. It runs very fast.
미.
Okay, Jaeyoon.
치타.
Cheetah. Okay. It is a beautiful animal. Beautiful animal. What is it? Beautiful animal. Okay, Sunun.
고!
Dog. Dog. Okay, he runs like a person. He dances like a person. He sits down like a person. He dances like a person. Next. It looks like a mouse. Okay, Taejun? Hamster? 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 Yeah. Hamster. It likes to eat carrot? What is it? Hamster! Right. Hamster! Yes. He cries like a baby. Baby. This pet active at night.
미.
Jaeyoon?
리츠. 하이엔.
It's very clean. Okay. Simon? Yeah. 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 Okay, next. It is homeless. It regenerates its broken tail. Broken tail. It looks like a snake. So he is bitten by a snake. Hear this. What is it? Oh, Jaeyoung.
리젤.
Lizard? Lizard. Okay, lizard. Next. Sometimes it sings merrily. has feathers. It can fly. What is this?
Sure, what is feathers mean?
Okay, good.
Sure, feathers mean.
Good.
Feathers mean.
Feather is 깃털, 털, 깃털.
아,
It is a spinning animal. 현우. Oh yes. That's right. Hedgehog.
자, 제 화이트 초코 잘
Okay. This is my past history.
진짜요?
Yes. I raised the pet, a kind of pet kitty. He drove a car. He likes good. But my husband don't like it. So we gave it another person. So next year my sister gave this dog. But it is very small. He had went everywhere, so disappeared because I gave it another person.
아,
So my two daughters, one day they said pizza and blah blah and lunch dumpling and blah blah. I thought a pizza and dumpling, what is it? It's a hamster. They raised hamster in drawer.
햄스 뭐?
Okay, today I raised this cat. This cat is troublemaker.
올, 세다.
If I study, he study first. Okay. How about you? Do you like raising a pet? No? Okay. There are two opinions. Some people like the pet. Other people don't like the pet. Today, pet lover or not? Some people say that pets are family. Others say that pets are just animals. My daughter wants to raise a cat. But I don't want to raise a cat. So today I'll talk about this topic with you. I'll hold of you. I'll decide if I'll keep the cat or not. Oh, who is he?
오바마.
Obama and his dog. I want two volunteers. Who is she?
리얼.
Yuri raised two cats. Who is he? Jadrago raised a dog. The dog's name, what is it? Taho. Okay, two volunteers. Who can be Yuri? Can be Yuri? I'll give you Sam. Who can be? Okay. Yuri?
제발. 아, 선생님, 제발.
Yuri?
너.
Who can be G-Dragon? Okay, my turn. Okay, stand up. Stand up. Three.
How do you think about that? What are you doing with her? I think pets are so smart that they save their owners from danger. Many people cannot live without their pets.
Oh, I can't live without my cat. Oh, I can't live without my dog. 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 I can't live without my owner. It's the snake says. 주인, owner. Yes.
Anyway, I think cats are our famous and
This is my dog, Sunshim.
순심.
Sunshim. I can't live without my dog, Sunshim. Anyway, I think pets are our friends and family too.
Okay, good job. Okay, sit down, please. Okay, very good. Yes. I have disagree opinion. I want a volunteer who can be a
일단 내가 할까? 내가 할게.
아, 잠깐 목소리 여성스러운 이유.
제이은
너.
그지?
아, 그럼 제가
Who can be L? Who can be L? L. Who can be L? L.
진짜 영어 알파벳이야.
L E. 재원. 너? 승환. 너? I.
아니면 목소리
해주.
이흠가움.
승현. Please stand up. 재은 stand up.
누가 아니고 누가 아니고.
L 승현.
왜 어머니? I think change.
너?
Oh my God.
Pets are just animals. Some people spend too much money on their pets.
They buy them expensive clothes, and they take them to pet shops to get them free.
I don't think that is right. They can spend their money in better way.
For example, they are very equal.
Right? They don't have food to eat. They don't have money to go to the hospital.
We should help these people instead.
I think pets are just animals. It is great to love your pet. But people are always more important than animals.
Okay, good job. Sit down, please. How about you? You like to raise a cat? You like to raise a cat? No. No? Nunes says, I'm for keeping a cat. We have
사운드 잘 나오네. 이제 많이
Write down your opinion. There are many words. Now, first page. Yes, agree opinion. Next, disagree opinion. You can write agree opinion or you can write disagree opinion. Number 1. My blank, dog, cat, iguana, bird, lizard, hedgehog, hamster. You can fill anything. For example, dog, cat, fish, hamster, hedgehog, bird. Maybe this is a positive opinion. Make me happy. Write down on your paper. Okay, next, I can tell my dog everything. My dog is friend. My dog is smart, clever, bright, intelligent. He can help many people. My dog wakes me. My dog is my family. So I'm for keeping a pet. I agree with raising a pet. Next, 이렇게. I am against taking a pet.
왜 저예요?
This is a different opinion.
목적이다.
I know my cat, lizard, bird, hamster. Cat, cow, fish, hamster, hedgehog, bird. Sofa, shoes, dress, room, wood. Old, dirty, messy. time taking care. My cat. My cat sometimes breaks my cup and glasses. I can't study at home because of my cat. My cat is troublemaker, so I'm afraid to keep her pet. Animals are just animals. Okay. Write down your opinion. Are you done? Next page. 승현, look at this.
언제 찍어?
오른쪽이 뾰루퉁.
Take your viewpoint.
아, 사진
Write down your opinion about the cat.
쌤, 제가 원망스러워지는 거 지워주세요. 내가 진짜
Open this page. Write down your opinion.
저 지워주시면 안 돼요, 빨리?
No.
분리 같지 않아?
제 오른쪽에 있는 학생이 남자이고요.
분리야.
그냥 끝나고 나와.
I'll give you 3 minutes. Write down your opinion.
아, 됐어. 됐어.
왜 중간을 몰아야 돼?
그냥.
중간을 몰아야
딱 믿어.
You like snake. If you like 네가 만약에 찬성하면
I know.
찬성하는 의견을 쓸 수 있어.
반대로 쓰고.
Help each other. Help each other. Write down your opinion.
I have a question. 존중이. 네? Respect.
Please change the picture.
Are you done?
네, 다. 그 중간 미드는 중간. 하프.
Okay, stop it. We'll make a presentation. We'll talk. Okay. One, please stand up.
I think we should not buy any birds
Loudly, please.
because animals which is pet get many stress of us. First, pets get many stress because they have to live from their mother very quickly. Also, their mother can be dead because they can't raise up their child. Second, pets get stressed because they have to live in an apartment which has no grass and hard floor. Pets are from nature, so they have to live in nature. Lastly, pets can get stressed because of their food. They eat same food every day before they die. Think that you have to eat rice soup every day before you die. It will be terrible. So I think we should stop raising pets and return them in nature.
와.
Next, can presentation.
I think there is no problem with people raise pets in a house which is not an apartment because it can be their hobby to raise pets. But it is not proper to raise pets in an apartment. There are several reasons. First, it makes noises. This is really big problem in apartment. Second, it can be harmful to people who have allergies. Third, the pet will make the house messy. Lastly, we need a lot of money to raise pets. In these reasons, I think it is a bad idea to raise a pet in the house.
Okay, good. Who will be presentation? Who can make a presentation? Who can? Anybody else? Anybody else? Okay. Okay. Let's play game. Here are 16. Team 1. Team 1. Team 2. Team 3. Team 4. Team 5. Team 6. White bird, yellow bird, green bird, red bird. If one red bird appeared, 1 point. 2 red bird, 2 points. 3 red bird, 3 points. 4 points. Bonus. Okay. Team 1, choose one. Choose one. E. Multiple choice by Pacto. What is it? Makes me happy. Okay, good. A point. 1. 4 points. Okay, 16.
우와.
Okay, team 2, choose one. Choose one.
X.
X. This path has a spinning. It looks like a head. What's this path? 태영.
했죠.
해죠. Two points. Okay, 2 points. Team 3, children. X.
그다음 팀 이해해줘야지.
Okay, multiple choice. There are many people, blah blah. They don't have food to eat. Reach, shoot, indeed. C. Okay. Right. 1 point. 2 point. Okay, 2 point.
쌀팀이 일을 하니
Next. Team 4, choose one. Agree opinion. Some people say that pets are family. Okay, good. Point. 1 point. Okay, next. Martin, choose one. Choose one. I.
하면 위 좀 해줘.
Opposite opinion, disagreement opinion. Others say that blah blah, just animals.
펫.
Pet. Okay, right. Pet. Pet.
패치나. 쌤.
1 point.
얼굴에 1점이 어디야?
Okay, next. 16. Choose one.
야, 유즈메
Sorry. Choose one. 8. 8. This generally is broken day. It looks like a snake. What is it? It looks like lizard. Choose one.
왜 내 말로 그래?
You don't have point. Next, is the team children. Q.
야, 누구 유즈메도
It has a feather. It can fly, it can sing. Okay. First. Two birds. choose one.
남자 이름도 알지?
남자는
원투야 원이.
천이가 투라고 했는데.
내 말 맞잖아.
마이너스 10 포인트.
내 말 맞잖아. 나 내가 분명 원하라 했잖아.
Minus 10 point.
아, 헐.
그냥
마이너스
Choose one.
Y.
Why? 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 Really why? VK. V.
빨리 하라고.
Multiple choice. Sometimes pets are so blah blah that they save their owner from danger. AG, smart, foolish, 우리지. B, smart. 5 points. I'm sorry.
자, this is last.
아니에요.
맞아요. 자, this is last. 보고.
They buy expensive, they buy expensive, blah blah and food.
이거 어떻게 하래?
What is it? What is it?
클로스 뭐냐고. 왜 아무것도 안 하냐고.
I'm sorry. Buy expensive.
장난치는데. 후알민.
엘라 제대로 끝내라.
이 말은 힘들다. 후알민.
Sorry. Team 2.
위아 2등.
Winner.
아니 위아 2등.
다 보여줘.
지인의 팀이 그거 아니야?
Next day, we started lesson 6. Lesson 6.
이대로 와서.
Presentation, European.
이거 보니까 막.